Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss a video. The first thing that we are going to do, as usual, is I'm going to be using Holo Hilly base as my base coat. There it goes. You can use whichever you prefer. Once your base coat is dry, you can go in with your base color. For my manicure, I'm using Color Club's Factory Girl. I've used this in several nail art designs. It's one of my favorite polishes from Color Club. I'm going to be using this as my base color, and then I'm going to go in on all the nails with some liquid latex from Pueen. On this next part of the design, I'm using a stamping plate. I'm using BP L017 or L017. It's just this beach themed plate. It's got all kinds of really cute designs on it. We're going to be using a couple of these today. And as for the polishes, I'm using Maniology's Freedom Ring, which is silver. And then I'm using on top of that for a layered stamping design, I'm using Pueen's Pure White. So to get that started, I'm going to start with the silver. And for my middle finger and my ring finger, I'm going to be picking up this design. And I don't want the little surfer guy or the birds on the stamp when I place it onto my nails. So I'm just going to take my lint roller. And like pick those off before I step it down onto the nail. And as usual, I don't think I've mentioned it the last couple of times I've stamped, but I'm using this Maniology stamper and my Pueen scraper. Right, to finish off this design and still seal in our stamping, I'm just going to be using Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco. And as always, you can use whichever you prefer. Alright, and here is the finished design. I am in love with how this turned out. I'm not exactly sure what happened here. I think I just moved it and I just messed it up some more. I will fix that and then hopefully it'll look okay. But anyway, this is the finished design. I love how it turned out. It is exactly what I had in my mind. But yeah, I love it. I just gotta fix this one, but I'll do that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, hit that like button and go to my channel page and check out my other videos that I have. If you like what you see there, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you never miss a future upload. And then just in case you're wondering, I'll upload on Wednesdays at noon Central Time. I hope to see you back next week. Bye guys.